Hey guys, so today I want to talk a little bit about files that have duplicates in them. Happens a lot when we buy our files, and I think I've said this before, it's not necessarily the designer's fault. Sometimes when we're exporting things, lines just duplicate or in triplicate, and then we go to run it and we get an error, or we find that the laser is cutting the same piece over and over again, and that's not what our intention is. So I wanted to bring up this file that I created a long time ago. I wanted to show you kind of how this happens and how to prevent it or help yourself fix it, really. So if you look at a zoomed out image of it, you can see that this guy right here is definitely a darker red. It looks like the lines are thicker. And if I scroll in, I can also kind of see, you'll notice like just different pieces here. Again, they look redder, more saturated in color. So if I were to go and run this right now, let me just grab this whole thing and move it to my laser bed. Let's say I'm going to move it to 0.5, 0.5. Whoops. Move that down a little bit. Okay, so I go to run this, right? I've got it here. All right, that's better. I'm back on the right page now. So I am going to just go here. Let me bring up my workspace over here, my cuts and layers panels, which, by the way, if you're toggling those on and off, I'm just hitting F12 and it will toggle your layers panel on and off. It's a pretty handy little hotkey there, or shortcut. So if I go here, select all this, and I go to hit start, it's going to tell me I've got 155 duplicated shapes on the same layer and are not likely intended. Of course they're not. So do I want to continue? No, I do not want to cut these out 155 times. So I ask it to show me. And it's just going to highlight all 155 of those. So how we are going to break these down and get rid of them quickly is by going to our file. Go to edit and go to delete duplicates. So you can either do that from here, or we can select all of this here and just hit Alt D. And that's also going to delete the duplicates. And it's asking 155 duplicate shapes were found. Would you like to delete them? Yes, I would. Thank you very much. So once I do that, if I pull this back over here, you'll notice that it looks the same, right? So now we have the same width or thickness of lines as we have for all the other pieces. So that was most likely our culprit. When we do remove duplicates, it tends to ungroup things. So don't forget to go back in, highlight everything, Control G to regroup it, and then we can put it back over here on our workbed. I'm going to get rid of my panels there so I can see everything. Bring my panels back up, hit start, and it should run. So there's a problem sending data to the laser only because my laser is not turned on right now. But I hope this helps somebody out there. I know duplicates and things repeating itself over and over can be a big pain in the butt, but that's a super easy way to fix that. Have a great day.